This entire jacket section is lit. Hi, it's Kathleen, and today I'm wearing clashing animal prints, and you know what that means. We're going thrifting, baby! Oh, there you are. All right, so what are we looking for today? Why am I looking at you? Why are you looking at me? I don't know. I thought you know what we were looking for. Oh. Well, if you don't know what we're looking for, and I don't know what we're looking for, then I guess the possibilities are limitless. Last time I was at this thrift store, I found someone's entire vintage dress collection. So we might as well start in the dresses and see if we can get lucky again. Okay, this is super cute. Made in the USA. I don't usually like this type of drop waist silhouette on me, but cool find. Did I just find the perfect holiday party dress? Let's see. I just need to show you what I just found. Do you see this? Excuse me? Does it look cool? I can't tell. This entire jacket section is lit. I guess that's what I get for living in a place that has amazing cold weather clothing. Let me show you. Example A. Example B. Oh my gosh. This is a white leather trench. It's definitely stained up a little bit. This is so cool. I've been seeing this type of kind of cargo vest a lot, just as a little styling piece. Interesting. Okay, this is very chic, very Chanel-esque. I like the contrast between the shininess and then the softness. We've got these fun little toggles. Cool. Big xenon vibes. I just remembered that I was drinking an iced coffee, and it's somewhere in this cart. Oh no. Safe and sound. Delicious. I figure it's kind of a good time to go through what's in my cart since it is evidently very full. Then we can go try some stuff on. These pants, they're totally see-through, pretty cool. If there was like a slightly different pattern on here, I'd be super into it, but I don't know, maybe I'll try them on. Like I mentioned in my last week's video, I've been looking for like wide-legged fun pants, and that includes these kind of more corporate style trousers. These always are too short on me, so I found some that seem like they might be long enough. We'll give them a try. Always on the hunt for a good cargo pant. I think these might be too big for me though. What size are these? Interesting. Okay, now my jacket hoard. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting to grab so many jackets. These two are more like street style-y. I really like the cut and the details on this New Balance jacket. Nice and short. This is also cool. This was more function over fashion. Just a rain jacket. I like the color. I don't really have one that I like. Okay, this red leather jacket from the Gap is so cool. I think it's gonna be too small, and it's also $40, so no thanks, but let's try it on. I mean, that is moderately sick. Looks good with my outfit too. I'm so curious about this white leather trench. It's just so dirty. Usually that doesn't bother me, but since it's white, it's like very obvious. I feel like one of those little white crusty dogs wearing this. Is that a vibe? Maybe. And I say that with love. We've all met Kirby on this channel. I also found a tracksuit. I don't think it's for me, but let's go try some stuff on. I'm back. Let me try that again. I'm back? Question mark? I heard y'all in the comments that you missed the mic. Well, one person said they missed the mic. I hope my phone will do in the meantime. I'm still thinking about all of those delicious jackets that were at the thrift store this week. Who knew the Midwest would have good jackets? That's a joke. Obviously, we have good jackets. And speaking of jackets, you might notice that I'm wearing something very familiar. Did you really think I could walk away without this bad boy? We're gonna back up into this one because there's a secret about this jacket that I didn't realize until I got home. Get off. Sorry. I'm gonna give you a couple hints, okay? The details of the pocket. Wow, that's a very intricate pocket design. Huh, is that a belt loop on my cuff? Would you believe me if I told you that this jacket used to be pants? Do you believe me now? Yeah, that's right, baby. I've got an upside down pocket jacket pant amalgamation nightmare jacket. Are you jealous? For real though, I love this jacket. I love the kind of kimono fit of it. It's perfect. This feminine little oversized collar / bib is giving Victorian doll rodeo clown vibes. Which, now that I think about it, you take a Victorian doll and a rodeo clown and you get me. And quite possibly the best thing about this jacket is that it was $5.99. It actually had a sticker on it. I think I might have put it in one of the pockets. That makes me believe that it was from a vintage shop and somebody donated their extra stock because maybe no one was buying this. For what reason? I couldn't tell you. And to go with my little funky jacket, I'm wearing a little bit of a funky outfit. I've got the purple skirt that I got during my I'm thrifting but I only have 30 minutes video. I just pulled up, and now it's a dress. Creativity. And then I have my slip-on loafers that I got a couple thrift with me's ago. This is kind of a weird outfit. All right, I got a couple other things too. I'll show you. Woo! Did I spin the right way? Y'all, this dress, it's absolutely stunning. I still very much enjoy the combo of the jacket and the vintage dress, but let me just show off the dress for a second. Not to toot my own horn, but it fits perfectly. It is so light. It is so comfy. It has a cute little bow in the back. There's also tiny little shoulder pads in here. You know I love a giant shoulder pad, but I'll also take a micro pad. Simple, delicate. I feel very cute. So as much as I love the quilted jean jacket rodeo clown getup of dreams, this dress is a close second for me. All right, I did get one more thing, and it was a game time decision. So let's check it out. Whew. Behold. So I was standing on the checkout line and I look to my right and I see just a little flower peeking out down the aisle. It's this cute little oversized tunic top that has is this crochet? I think it's crochet. Hand crocheted flowers all over it. So very super toot. Now I won't lie, this silhouette is not usually one that I get for myself. It's not one that usually excites me, although it looks pretty cute just layered on top of this little dress. Who's to say what kind of shenanigans we'll get up to with this little guy? Let's try this outfit with the jacket layered on top. It's giving toddler core in the best way. I follow these really cool gals who curate some vintage shops in Tokyo, and I feel like they might wear something like this. And you may be wondering, or you may not be wondering, Kathleen, why didn't you get that white leather trench coat? Yeah, I did. Although I'm very warm wearing this jacket, on the topic of the jacket, I'm very hot and cold. I really do like how it looks. You don't every day see a white leather jacket. It's got some cool little details. Here's what I don't like about it. 1, I wish it was like 2 inches longer, 3 inches longer, more like a full length jacket. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's just more of a personal preference kind of thing. Reason number 2, she's nasty. I would say the overall condition is fair, a little stained up, a little stinky, but you know I like a work in progress. I can fix her. So this really is more of a project jacket. I think since it is in kind of iffy condition, what if we painted all over it? Did some sort of sweet symmetrical pattern. I mean, it's literally a blank canvas. But then the other part of my brain is just leave it alone. Don't touch it. So let me know down in the comments. Would you rather customize this or just leave it pristine? I'm interested to know your opinion, and if you do want to customize it, I mean, that's a whole video all on its own. Whoa. And that's it for this week's video. I really appreciate you hanging out with me, coming thrifting with me. It was a great time. As usual, if you like this video and you'd like to be notified when I post future videos, then please feel free to subscribe if you would like. And speaking of videos, thank you for all of the birthday love on last week's video. It was so fun reading all of your comments, celebrating 2,000 subscribers together, and also learning that a lot of y'all are Scorpios just like me. It's all making sense. There's a reason we're friends. I just appreciate you, so thank you. If you just can't wait until next week's video, well, there's a couple things you could do. One, you could follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of behind the scenes stuff and just chaotic nonsense usually, and that's at kathleenillustrated. And you could also check out last week's video or my Thrifty Finds playlist. It is chock-a-block full of all of the thrifty goodness that you could ever desire. I think I need to get a taller tripod. I feel like I'm over here posing for a senior photo. All right, I'm out of here. Hope you have a great week. I love you and goodbye.